This video defines the base period used in calculating your reemployment assistance benefits. Reemployment assistance is just Florida's way of saying unemployment compensation. The base period for your claim is the first 4 of the last 5 completed calendar quarters before your benefit claim begins. The base period changes every 3 months at the beginning of each new quarter, starting in January, April, July, and October. A calendar year is divided into 4 quarters. In order to be eligible for reemployment assistance benefits, you must have earned a minimum of $3,400 in the base period of your claim. Also, your total base period wages must be at least 1.5 times the wages in the quarter having the highest earnings. You must have wages in 2 or more calendar quarters in the base period. Don't worry about computing your base period. The Department of Economic Opportunity will compute it for you and send you a wage transcript and determination. If you disagree with their findings, you must request a monetary reconsideration within 20 days from the date of the determination. If you need more help, we encourage you to reach out to your local public library. Public libraries can help with many things, including letting you use a computer, printer, copier, scanner, or fax machine. Some libraries also have staff available who may be able to help guide you through the application process. Find your local library at myfloridalibrary.com. You can also contact the Florida Department of Economic Opportunity for assistance. We hope that you have found this information useful. Visit our YouTube channel for more videos on applying for reemployment assistance benefits in Florida.